Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit a PDF in Adobe Express. In this walkthrough, we'll open Adobe Express, load a sample PDF project, edit the text directly on the page, add a new page from the bottom right area, and use the search field at the top left to quickly find what you need. I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to keep everything smooth and organized. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser or desktop app. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that, then give the workspace a moment to load. A stable internet connection helps here, since projects and assets are cloud-based and may take a few seconds to appear. Next, open your sample PDF project from your projects area. When it loads, you'll see your pages as thumbnails and a main canvas in the center. Let the PDF fully process so text and elements become selectable. If you're working with a multi-page file, glance over the page thumbnails to get your bearings before you begin editing. To change the text, click directly on any text you want to update. When you select it, a bounding box will appear, and the editing controls will show on the side panel. Type to replace the content, and use the available options to adjust font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. If a line wraps in a way you don't like, simply drag a corner of the bounding box to resize it. Keep an eye on consistency. Use the same font and color across similar headings and body text for a clean, professional look. If a particular line doesn't highlight or select, it may be part of an embedded image from the original PDF. Try selecting nearby text or zoom in for more precision. When you're ready to add a page, move your attention to the bottom right area of the interface, and that's where the page controls live. Click Add Page. You may be prompted to choose between a blank page or duplicating a page layout. Duplicating an existing page can help maintain formatting, margins, and style. After adding it, reorder pages by dragging thumbnails and double-check headers, footers, and numbering, so everything stays consistent. If you need help finding a tool, template, or asset, use the search at the top left. Type clear keywords like icons, shapes, or text to surface options quickly. If results feel cluttered, refine your term or clear any filters, then try again. That's it. You've opened Adobe Express, edited text in your PDF, added a new page, and used search to navigate faster. Take a moment to review your pages, ensure styling is consistent, and you're good to go.